This is my world. This is where I live. And this is me. Ta-da! Today, I'll tell you a story about a very special company, Vodafone. They're so thoughtful. They look after their people and make sure young children like me get a good education and study well. They do things to protect our environment and help us with things we need, so we can grow up in a wonderful place. In this way, Vodafone does amazing things in the field of education, environment, and empowerment because they truly care. Vodafone Cares is such a beautiful thing, and we all should be a part of it. If you have played your part, please share your story on the Vodafone Care YouTube channel. You can also write about your wonderful experiences on the Vodafone India website, or you can post a message on Twitter with the hashtag Vodafone Cares. So let's come together and make the world a happy place to live in.